With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Dear students, question is, write on the concept of reaction rate with respect to reactant and with respect to product and equate them. Now let us see reaction rate or rate of reaction. Reaction rate or rate of reaction or speed of reaction or velocity of reaction is nothing but equal to change in concentration of reactant per unit time. Change in concentration of reactant per unit time, which also we can take change in concentration of product per unit time. Now, it is always a positive quantity. Rate of reaction always a positive quantity. Rate of reaction is always a positive quantity. Now for any reaction, let us take A gives rise to B. Any reaction A gives rise to B. Now at time t is equal to t1, concentration of A is x and B is y. At time t is equal to t2, this is let x1 and y1. At t equal to t2, concentration of A is x2 and concentration of B is y2. Then rate of this reaction is equal to change in concentration of reactant. Change in concentration of change means always final minus initial. X2 minus x1 by T2 minus T1, which is equal to change in concentration of product final minus initial T2 minus T1. But here I told you rate is always positive. Now here reactant concentration with time decreases. Reactant concentration, what happens to reactant concentration? It decreases with time. It decreases with time. Reactant concentration decreases with time. So we can write like this: reactant with time it decreases, product concentration increases with time. So here if we take time and here if we take concentration, this will be the graph. This is for product, this is for reactant. Now therefore final minus initial x2 minus x1 will be negative. This difference will be negative. Here we are getting delta x, here delta t, here we will get delta y by delta t. But since this is negative, therefore r will be negative. But I told you r is always positive. Therefore we will multiply this with minus. So to keep r positive always, we are multiplying this with minus. Therefore here it is plus. So the relationship is equal to r is equal to minus dx by dt is equal to plus dy by dt. For a small change d we have taken, for a large change we have taken our average value delta. Now for any reaction, m moles of A gives rise to n moles of B. For this reaction, here when m moles of A is consumed, n moles of B are formed. Therefore for such a reaction, rate will be minus 1 by m d of A by dt is equal to plus 1 by n d of B by dt. To understand this, let us take this simple example. A gives rise to 2B. So here the rate at which B is formed is 2 times the rate at which A is consumed. So rate of the reaction as rate of a reaction can be expressed in terms of A or B. Here the rate of consumption of A and formation of B are different. So to equate them, what we are doing? We are writing rate of reaction is equal to dA by dt minus dA by dt is equal to plus half of dB by dt. Why? Because since B is formed 2 times at the rate that of A is consumed, so therefore rate of consumption of A is half of the rate of formation of B. This is rate of consumption of A, this is rate of formation of B, and its half is equal to rate of consumption A, which is equal, and that is known as rate. Therefore, in general, we can write rate is equal to minus 1 by m dA by dt is equal to plus 1 by n dB by dt. So this is what rate of a reaction means, and expression of rate of reaction with respect to reactant and product. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.